Hello dear students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss about first chapter in business studies, banking transactions. In this unit we learn about the following: meaning and characteristics of banks, services offered by banks, role of post offices in financial transactions, types of bank accounts, procedures to open a bank account, and advantages of opening bank accounts. So let us study one by one. Banks. Banks developed about 200 years ago. The nature of banks has changed as the time has changed. The term bank is related to financial transactions. Banks are financial institutions which use the money deposited by customers as investment and agree to return whenever they require. Banks advance loans to the customers and charge interest on them. Banks advance money to agriculture, industries, traders, and all the sections of the society. The development of any country depends on the efficient banking system of that country. The term bank is derived from Italian word banco or from a French word bank. Both mean a bench or money exchange table. A banking company may be defined as a company which transacts the business with finance. It accepts deposits from the public and lends it to those who need it in the form of loans. The services of banks are called banking. A bank repays the deposits in the form of checks, drafts, or in some other forms. Characteristics of banks. The first characteristic of bank is dealing with money. Means banks are financial institutions which deal with money of the public. The second characteristic is individual, firm, or company. Bank may be a person, firm, or a company. And banking company means the institution that deals with money. The third characteristic is acceptance of deposits. Means banks accept deposits from the public. These deposits are returned whenever the customers demand. Banks provide security to these deposits. Fourth character is lending loans. Banks advance loans to industrial sector, agriculture sector, education, house construction and for other purposes. Fifth character is payment and withdraw. Banks facilitate the customers to withdraw their deposits in the form of checks or drafts. Sixth character is agency and utility services. Banks provide various banking facilities to its customers. They include general utility services and agency services. Seventh character is profit and service orientation. A bank is a profit-seeking institution having service-oriented approach. Eighth character is ever-increasing functions. Banks continuously expand and diversify their functions, services and activities. Ninth characteristic of bank is connecting link. Banks act as connecting link between the depositors and borrowers. Banks collect surplus money of the customers and lend the same to those who are in need of money. The 10th character is banking business. The main activity of the bank is banking business, that is accepting deposits from the customers and lending the same to those who need money. 10th characteristic is name identity. Banks always add bank to their names. Example, Canara Bank, Vijaya Bank, Corporation Bank, State Bank of India, etc. It enables the customers to know in which bank they are dealing with money. Functions of banks. Functions of banks: accepting deposits from public and others, lending money to public and other institutions, transferring money from one place to another, collecting money on checks, drafts and bills, discounting of bills, hiding safe deposit lockers. Conducting foreign exchange transactions, keeping valuables in safe custody, issuing letters of credit and guarantee, conducting government transactions, central and state. So these are the functions of banks. Thanks for watching.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.